Mark here with DIY Wise. Today we're going to do a product review of Chemical Guys products. We're looking at the leather cleaner and the leather conditioner. First, we'll open up the box here. Ordered off of Amazon. Chemical Guys leather cleaner. Chemical Guys leather quick detailer, which I have been using the whole time. And leather conditioner. And I ordered a kit, so it also comes with professional microfiber towels, Chemical Guys, microfiber applicators. That's to apply the conditioner. And I also ordered a boar's hair brush to work in the cleaner. And I also ordered a hand brush. And it is horsehair. All right. I got a 2017 Ram 2500 Cummins. It's the Longhorn edition. So it's got all the premium leather from what they say. I really do like it. It seems to be holding up well, but I don't know if you can see right there. Yeah, it is coming through, I believe, right there. I don't know what I got on there, but you can get a good look at that. And the rest of the seat, it's kind of shiny. I don't know how good we'll be able to see it here, but we'll get some tape and mask it off and try it here in a little bit. First, what we're going to do here, we're going to make sure we get all the dirt and debris out of these seams. You can see there's some dust and stuff in there, whatever it may be. I already vacuumed my vehicle beforehand, so I'm going to grab an air hose and blow that out of there real quick. Okay, so we got the air hose here. Just hold this in here and try to blow some of this out. Yeah, it's getting it out good. There's some light in there. Make sure you don't hold too much pressure on it while you're doing it. Doesn't seem to be hurting anything. We've got a few spots here. Some of the holes are filled up. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go grab a toothpick here. And we're going to try to pop those through. I'm going to take this spray first. It's the leather cleaner. I got heated and cold seats, so I got holes in my seats. So they say not to spray it directly into the holes. And then I got this horsehair brush that Chemical Guys also makes. And I'll leave a link here below for these products. And that way, if you guys are interested, you can take a look at them. I'm hoping for good results here, but we'll see. A couple sprays on the horsehair brush. I don't know how much you got to use. Let's see here. Pretty wet. I'm gonna have to put the seat back to get down lower. We'll just do this for now. See how this goes. Scrub it in two different directions. Get this rubbed in. I'm just gonna work on this bottom part first. See how it goes. Nice clean yellow towel. It's not one of their towels. I figured with the yellow towel it might show us what dirt came off of here a little bit better. So let's see what we get here. Just two quick wipes, and look at that, guys. Hopefully it's coming up there. It looks like it is coming out good. I'm trying to hold the camera here, so I sprayed down the horsehair brush. Give it a good scrub. Try to get in those crevices. Get up there. Whoop, I knocked the tape off, but that's okay. No big deal. Also got Chemical Guys boar's hair brush. Little detailing brush. We'll make it for this also. That way you can go ahead and get the little crevices and cracks and spots. So go ahead and get that. Let's give it a wipe. We'll get the clean side of the towel. It's not too bad right there. I mean, the sweat on your body and stuff, it doesn't look too bad there. There's a little bit on there, but nothing crazy. So get the spray that pretty good. Turn it over, scrub it. Oh, there's that foaming action. Say you want to get that, so actually might not have had quite enough on there. Let's see what we get out of the bottom down here. I said I do keep it clean, but I don't know what it is, the stains or what it is. Turn that over. Use this boar's hair brush. Do it in small spots so it doesn't. I'm going to try spraying here a little bit lightly. Yeah, there we go. That's what they say you want, so I'm sure that product will dry out of there. Set that down. Now we'll use this brush again here real quick. We'll use this towel. I don't know if you guys can see it right now, but me wiping it up, it's definitely picking up. You can see some dirt right there, so there's definitely some dirt. Not as bad as what was on the back, so spray this side down, get it all brushed up, see how it looks. Get some more spray there. Probably using too much spray. Probably need to back off of it some, but see how this goes. Go from there. Okay, so we'll get this towel. Oh yeah, you can see it coming off. There's really a big color difference right there. It's dull. Doesn't have that shine to it. They say whenever leather's dirty, it's got that shine to it. That's all the grease and oils and dirt. Hopefully we're able to see a difference right there. We're spraying down here. Getting it all lathered up. That out of the way. Get your brush. Cleaned off. Looks good there. So I just did that one side of the seat. Look at all that dirt come off there. Some on the back. I tried to use one side of the towel pretty much. So, I mean, that's a ton of dirt that came off of there. It definitely pulled off all that oil, grease, grime, whatever else it may be on there. You take a look at the seat and then take a look at the back of the seat. You can see the line straight up there. Definitely removing it. So far I'm happy with the product. I'm not seeing that stain there. Looks like I'm seeing a little bit of it. Might have pulled a little dye out of there, whatever I got on there. It's hard to say. But maybe once I put the conditioner in there it'll help. But so far, I mean, overall cleaning the product is great. You can really see the difference there in the shine. It's matte and it's not shiny, glossy, dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the other side of the seat here. All right, with the pores of the seat, it doesn't seem to be too bad. So I'm just going to go ahead and wet this all. I might be using too much of the product. It's a pH neutral cleaner, so not supposed to affect your leather at all. Get in there. A lot easier when I'm doing one side without that tape there. I have to do it all at once. Go ahead and get that brush. The force there brush. Spray it a little bit more. Get it lathered up there. Looks to be doing a really good job here. Get this off of there before it dries. This is supposed to suspend the dirt on the top, so. After putting the product on, that stain, whatever it might be, there is some discoloration there. I don't see the shine. Maybe once I put the conditioner in there, but I mean, so far, I mean, I can't say that's the fault of the product. It seems to be cleaning and doing its job, so it's definitely, no doubt about it, it's cleaned it. And if you actually feel it, it actually feels more supple and soft. I'm actually really surprised. The next thing I'm going to do is a steering wheel on here, which feels kind of sticky, and it's real shiny and gritty. Not gritty, but it's real shiny and grimy. I'm going to put it right onto here. We're just going to get it all wet and cooped up on there. And since we got it all wet and cooped up on there, just give it a little brush. Agitate it. Get the brush again, try to get it on the back. Back some more. Seems like we're getting it pretty good here. We'll see how she comes out afterwards. Like I said, I'm hoping for good results. So far, it seems like it is. We'll have to see once we apply the conditioner and everything what it does to my seat. Get this all off of here and dry. And you can really see the shine off of there. Let's get this tape off. Let's see here. See that solid line? Dullness on there? Definitely getting that grime off and everything. Oh yeah, it feels so much softer, supple. You can feel as soon as you go across there. Your finger just sort of just grabs on there. It slides like a wax car. And then whenever you hit that, it's grease and grime from your hands and oils. And go ahead and do the rest of the steering wheel and see how it turns out. So far, I'm really happy with this product and impressed. Alright guys, there's such a big difference. The shine on there, it's gone. There's a little bit right here. Looks like I need to do that a little bit better. It's where I ride my hand a lot, so it's a nice matte finish the way leather's supposed to look now. It's getting dark outside, so I gotta use a light. Next, we're gonna do the center console here. We got all that shine off of there now. I'm obviously going to do the whole vehicle here, but the leather is on the doors also, so I'm going to try to do the side here, trying to get a before shot. And if you can see, there's makeup and all kinds of stuff from my wife in here. So we'll get this cleaned up and see how she looks. We're going to work at this door here right now. And spray a little bit on the brush. Get it applied right there. Go real slow here. There was all that makeup and grime right here on the handle. It is all off and the leather looks great. It's unbelievable just right here. The difference you can feel. It's so much cleaner. There's still some shine over here a little bit of dirt and grime. I rest my hand right here all the time when I drive, so it's a little bit more right there. Again, the steering wheel is like probably the dirtiest part here in the car, so but hopefully you can tell the difference there. It took a lot of that shine, dirt, grease, grime, oils, whatever it may be off of there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side of the steering wheel again, even though it looks pretty good to me. It's that natural leather look. No shine to it. It's so much smoother. I keep on saying it, guys, but it did really clean it up here. So obviously the door panel on the driver's side is used pretty well. You use the most, but I don't have any makeup on it. We're gonna clean it up real quick. There's a major difference. See all the grime is off of it that was there. Dust sitting there. Came off my cloth. Top. I rest my arm right there all the time. I think it really looks good. We're gonna get the back door panel here. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it's like a little bit of faded look right there. Cleaned this in the past and I can't seem to get that little bit of, it's like a discoloration on there. So let's see how this leather cleaner does on this. Start off with the detail brush. Do this one section really heavy just to see if it comes off, whatever that discoloration is. This is after the clean. It definitely made a difference and took some of that discoloration away. I finished cleaning the inside of here. Take a look at the towel I used. I used it through the whole thing. Hopefully you can see all the dirt on it. It's pretty bad, so I mean, obviously, I mean, it does get dirty. It's a car, but I think it did pretty well in cleaning it. Overall, the leather cleaner, it was pretty easy to use. Take a little bit of time, but its pH balance is supposed to be approved for any kind of leather. I used a brush, little hand brush, and then a little, this is a horsehair, and this was a boar's hair brush. Chemical Guys. I'll leave a link below